Now let's look at some examples on using gamma levels on futures. The first thing we want to look for is the net gamma exposure, or the net GEX chart. The chart will show you the net gamma exposure at different strike prices. We want to understand market positioning and where market makers might need to hedge their books. Then we want to look at the net GEX multi-expiration chart. Here we can plot up to 4 expiration dates in the future. We want to look for 0 DTE flow, next expiration, and expiration with the highest GEX. This chart is key to help us understanding market sentiment and exposure. Once we understand positioning, we can start plotting the levels on the chart. You can find these levels within our Discord server. For example, on April 17, 2024, these were the levels for NQ and ES futures by looking at their option chain. We can then plot this level by using the MenthorQ levels indicator for TradingView. Now let's start with NQ. In this chart, we can see how the session opened. The GEX level acted as resistance and could provide a clear signal for a short trade. Now that you are in your trade, how would you play this move? First, we saw a strong bearish momentum and the price moved lower towards the one-day minimum. The price failed to break down and pull back. The breakout from below to above the one-day minimum could have provided a nice signal for a long trade. The price then reached the next level and pulled back to continue its downward move, closing right at the one-day minimum for the day. Adding the level to the chart in this example can provide us with a clearer path for our trading plan. Now let's do the same for the ES futures. The breakout of the GEX level 2 could have provided a strong bearish signal. The price then has a strong momentum until it reaches the one-day minimum. This exact level stops the break and pushes the price higher to the GEX level once again. Now let's do another example on the ES future. Let's look at the price action for April 15, 2024. If you look at this chart, what would you do? Would you go long or short? We see a breakout of a previous technical level, so we could consider going long. Now we can add the MenthorQ levels. The price is hitting the one-day max level. This can give us a clearer picture of the market. We can also overlay it with our technical indicators for confirmation. We can now plan this trade a little bit different. We can plan our short trade instead of going long. The levels work perfectly and we see a strong move to the downside. The price moves all the way down to the one-day minimum for the day. As a takeaway from all these examples, you can now add additional insights to your chart. We simplify complex model to allow you to quickly visualize what future option market is telling us. As a trader, you need actionable insight and easy to understand levels that can give you an edge when trading. These levels can also help define your plan and where the market could go.